I should explain. Poop is a big thing over here. Right, hopefully this isn't a disaster. Unchiyaki. It's a sponge, because forks are really inconvenient. You can, what on earth are you? Another sponge? £35, I kind of got what I paid for, right? Right? Hello, people of the world. This is Jason is Lost, Japanese culture, adventure, and of course, unboxing some weird and bizarre stuff. So it is New Year's here in Japan. A very happy New Year's to you all. And on the 1st of December, as the shops open up, they traditionally take all the stock that they haven't sold in the previous year, bag it all up, and sell it at a discounted price. And these are called Fukubukuro. Yes, Fukubukuro. And if you haven't seen my previous Fukubukuro videos, I'll put a little picture or something up. It is quite a cultural phenomenon here, with people running out on the 1st of January to catch these bags, to grab a bargain, and so many retailers now are putting together their special bags that sell out in minutes, and it's quite a big deal over here. So I have 3 Fukubukuro here, 3 lucky bags. This is what they usually look like, with the kanji for Fukubukuro, some sort of red design here. This was just free. It was given to me for winning a little goodie bag game, some little thing. It was in the phone section of Yodobashi camera, so it's probably some promotional stuff for like one of the SoftBank or phone companies here. So we'll see what's in there. I also have this. This is a pretty big Fukubukuro from Village Vangaurd. Now they are a pretty cheeky shop. They've done some bizarre Fukubukuro previously. One's just filled with junk or bizarre items, but they look pretty big and heavy, so I thought I'd give it a go. This was 3,600 yen, so about $36, but only about £23, so I thought, why not? The Village Vangaurd shop is pretty cool. They're, I guess you'd say a novelty shop, but they have so much range. They sell all sorts of things, so the chance of something cool being in here is pretty high, but it also could be a joke. But if you're ever in Japan, I'll definitely recommend checking out Village Vangaurd just for the novelty. But I also have this, and this is the special limited edition giant Fukubukuro with the gold design. It's the year of the tiger, 2022, so they've got the tiger designs here. This one was 5,500 yen, so about $55, but only about 35 quid, so why not? It's very heavy. There's a lot of stuff in here, and there's also, do you see that sticker there? So there's something inside that's breakable, glass maybe, or at least something fragile. Right, let's have a look, see what's inside. But before all that, and because this could all go wrong, knowing Village Vanguard's history with Fukubukuro, let's have a drink, and this is new Peach Strong Zero. If you don't know anything about Strong Zero, it is a 9% alcohol drink that is pretty phenomenal, very efficient. And this is peach. Triple peach. It's very good. Right, hopefully this isn't a disaster. Right, this one. It's probably just promotional material, like I say, from phones. There's just one thing in here. It's tissues, probably? Or a towel? Alright, there's a packet of something and I don't know what it is. Maybe you might know what that is. I will check it, I'll Google it. No idea. Something that shakes. I don't think it's seeds. Okay, I like... This might be tissues or something, but Daruman, I really like. Is that a sponge? It's a sponge. It's just a sponge. It's a sponge. And lastly, maybe this is tissues? it's kitchen towel. Handy at least. I don't even know what they're promoting. It was free. Okay, I checked. It's Hatsu. This is bath salts. How wrong that could have gone if I thought it was tea or something. But this is for the first bath of the year. Hatsu. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go. There's lots of things in here. What should I go for? Find something to start. Loads of stuff in here. There's loads. Okay. As I said, Year of the Tiger. It's not. It's kind of thick. It's not like a wrapping thing, is it? Oh, man. Okay. Is it just wrapping paper? I don't know. Maybe it's just a wrap. It's just a wrap for something. You can wrap something. Next. Again, another tiger. It's a pillow. I think it's a cake. There's a Japanese cake that looks like this. Manju. Or, I don't think it's mochi. I think it's manju, I think. Well, there we go. We've got a cushion. Got a cushion with a tiger on. Right, it says toriyaki cushion, so it's some sort of cake. There we go. We've got a cake cushion. A cake cushion. Next. Really going with the tiger theme here. Oh, and I know someone who would just die to have these. Actually, they probably already have many pairs of these. This is Village Vangaurd product. Here we go. We've got some. Oh, and they stretch. They will fit. Isn't that a shame? Yeah, there you go. Tiger shorts. Do they have pockets? Are they practical? Well, there we go. We've got a tiger cushion, tiger wrapping, tiger shorts. Okay. Tiger plate. Pureto. Tiger pureto. Tiger plate? It's just one thing. It's just one big plate. Ooh. That's kind of fancy. Kind of nice. You put, I guess, it's more like a sushi plate. It's just kind of flat. But there you go. Another tiger thing. Nice. That's nice. It's heavy. Solid. What else? 1, 2. Looks like there's 2 things in here. Just more tiger stuff. It's a jigsaw puzzle. It's a 300-piece jigsaw piece puzzle. Jigsaw puzzle. It's just tigers. More tiger stuff. So, last thing. I should explain. Poop is a big thing over here. Unchi-yaki. 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 Christ. Okay, unchi-yaki. Unchi poop. And this is a maker for cake poop pops, cake pops that are poops. I can make poop cakes now. We'll be making poop cakes on the channel sometime soon. Poop cakes. That is the red bag done. And up next, okay, this could go very wrong. This could be a disaster. Let's see what's inside. £35. I'm not getting back. Okay. Oh my god, there's loads of stuff in here. This is right on the top. Another sponge? Why am I cursed with sponges? Another sponge. Oh, okay, he's a little cat and he has a little... He's a little cat and he has a little, little fish for his mouth. There we go. There we go. That was, yeah, okay. There's something else here right on the top as well. What's this? Monster Picks, Party Picks. Okay, so instead of forks, because forks are really inconvenient, you can you can use these. Little alien monster finger forks. This is going pretty well so far. Okay, this is a tube. Sanitizing alcohol wipes. Now, in a different world, this wouldn't have been handy. This would have been garbage. But current events mean that this is actually quite useful, and at quite a price. So that's wonderful. This bag was £35 for a sponge so far. Finger forks and the sanitizing alcohol wipes. Right, I'll grab this thing that's got, it's bubble wrap and it's heavy. Ice cream cups, ice cream glasses. I don't eat enough ice cream to justify having one of these. It's okay, it's something for the cupboard. Here's another small thing. Ooh. It's I've got a Rocket Raccoon cup. There we go. Rocket Raccoon cup. Very cool. Uh-oh, there's a little soft plush thing. What on earth are you? Do you know who this is? A Shaun the Sheep movie. Farmageddon. Have you seen this? Have you watched this? It's a keychain. For the Shaun the Sheep movie, Farmageddon. If you're a big fan, no doubt you're incredibly jealous right now. How bizarre, how bizarre. It's not looking good, this bag. There's a really big thing here that I'm avoiding. And it might be all that's left. So the big thing in here might be the only thing that's left. I'm trying not to look at it as I take it out. go. It's what? Okay. All right. It's a, well, you probably know. It's a cotton candy machine. I don't know if I appreciate it as much as the Unco Pops. Is that all there is? Is that all there is in here? Yeah, that's all there is. Oh, well, that could be interesting. Now I can say I have a cotton candy machine. What's that? There's some mixture all ready to go. Well, it looks pretty legit. But there we go. So that was our Fukubukuro 2022 adventure. I'm very pleased to finally have a pair of tiger pants that will come in handy, and really pleased with my Unchi Yaki Pops, my Pooper Pops, my Pooper Pop maker, which looks very cool. I look forward to trying. I mean, one of these is like £35 anyway, right? If I'd wanted one. I don't actually want one or need one really, but if I wanted one, £35, I kind of got what I paid for, right? Right. So that was pretty much a disaster, but if anything, I've demonstrated how Fukubukuro are a gamble, and this is not the first video that I've demonstrated that they are a gamble. But we had fun, and I thank you all for sticking around. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any suggestions for how any of the items here today could be utilised in future videos, please comment below and let me know. It will be interesting to see your thoughts on this. And if you like the video, give us a like. I really appreciate you all subscribing as well. It really does help the channel. It's, as I say, it was a lot of fun being back in Japan. Was looking forward to Fukubukuro. I'm sure next year will be better. But hey, we have another whole 2022 to look forward to, and loads of adventures to come. I will leave it there. But do check out my other videos if you're interested in living in Japan, studying in Japan, all sorts of adventures. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye.